how to fix Instagram countdown sticker problem. So hello guys, today I'm going to talk about how to fix Instagram countdown sticker problem. So to quickly fix the Instagram countdown sticker problem, just update your Instagram app. Just go to your Google Play Store, Apple App Store, and then find Instagram. And if you see an update option available here, just tap on update to get the latest version. Now the next thing what you can do is log out and then log back in. Just go to your open your Instagram app, then tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap the three-line menu at the top right corner of your screen. Then scroll all the way down to log out. Once you're logged out, log back in manually to refresh your connection. Now, the next thing what you can do is delete your existing Instagram app. Just go to your Instagram app, tap and hold on it, tap remove app to delete it from a device. Then go to your Apple App Store or Google Play Store and then re-download the Instagram app. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one.